The project we propose is an autonomous search and rescue drone to explore an unknown indoor environment looking for survivors and recognize their current condition. By condition, we refer to the state of consciousness of the person, who can be conscious or unconscious according to the eye blinking frequency. A couple of months ago, we uploaded a video of our blink detector algorithm to LinkedIn. Among the users who shared our video, Satya was the closest to finding out the neural networks we use. Lucky for us, he did not spoil all of them. There is a fourth neural network for blink detection. We are going to show a full experiment of the search and rescue drone. In the small window at the bottom right part of the video, we can see the map of the environment and how it evolves as the exploration goes on. When the drone has identified a person, blue voxels appear on the surface of the expanding map. Then they turn red once the drone reaches the target. Thanks to the OD camera, the drone recognizes that the survivor is blinking. In this case, the voxels are turning green, meaning the person is conscious. Otherwise, they would stay red, meaning unconscious.